Just a razor, and it works again. I never threw lamps away again. This amazing trick was revealed by an experienced electrician who explained the big reason why LED bulbs stop working early. And I promise to show you all the details by the end of this video. Firstly, so you don't think this doesn't work, we'll test two bulbs in the same socket. You will see that one is indeed working and the other isn't. Alright, done. Let's get to work. The first thing to do is to remove this bulb top. For those who don't know, this isn't glass. This protective material is just acrylic, like dry plastic. Here are the famous LEDs. They seem very small, but they're very strong. Let's test it again to ensure no errors. It really doesn't work. Next, we'll need tweezers. Yes, the one you use for your eyebrows. Tweezers are metallic and they conduct electricity. So for our safety, we're going to insulate it with electrical tape. This will allow us to have direct contact with each LED on the lamp. And now comes the fun part. Finding out which LED is burned out. Some of these LEDs have burned out and are preventing the electrical circuit from working. These LEDs work in series, meaning the electric current passes through all of them. If one LED fails or burns out, they all stop. But the problem is just with this LED here. Let's remove this one here, which is burned out. Notice that there are two metal parts where they need a bridge for one to transmit current to the other. Thus, it transmits current to another and to another. Since the LED is burned out and can't do this job, we can place a small metal or copper item to make this bridge. We're just going to take a small piece of metal. That's enough to get the bulb working again. Then, we put a small piece of electrical tape and glue it to the piece of metal. Now just place it on the two metal plates to make the connection, and thus return to having electric current to all the LEDs. Once this is done, you'll see that the bulb will work normally again, with one less LED, of course. However, this does not affect your lighting at all. Something that everyone throws in the trash, and in a few minutes you will bring it to life again. There are countless ways to do this maintenance, but that's a topic for another day. Now, do you understand how it works? Let me know your opinion below. Take care and see you later.